Good morning, country people. Them number 5 day for inside January 2024. New year, new fashion. Those who were for sick bed, me God a try way for make a meal na come out because God a no be great person for come make accident go sleep for hospital. Those who for kind of sick, it don't catch them. If your hand you know they inside the sick, that means say from today you could be free. Those people don't go put the hand for inside oil. The one come out time where oil never touch them. Me they know say they so they go cross some river where bridge you know the so that me they get money. God it get for cancel you, cancel plus their life. Those people plan for kill. God could instead make a me you fall na sick. Because you know fine for do bad for person. And those when they sit down for group or for meeting house, person will never come meeting, man will become meeting, he will go tell you a different thing. This man will talk so, and he will talk now for you. This man will do so, only for the create confusion for inside the society will not be normal. May we try for the reason, and then change the old system, may come for new. We started when I say me when she don't quiet because messenger for God he get for start to send a message. We could talk about this one way happen for inside Yaoundé now strike for business people them for marché Acacian. Where they talk to them so they pay some money where they don't know side where the money to go and they pay 2 times for year. Then when all man it ask question whether they so cancel. If they collect this money, governor for Cameroon, you know the Siam. That means say they go for back pocket. Now question. And then 2 for inside that market for Acacian, they get plenty problem. And we want to hear thing way this ngondere e go talk. Inside the side for the water for number 31 day for night 1 a.m. Now confession you get for Siam. Some people them they check say they so na enjoyment. Native boy them where they sleep for under camion for site for Yasa, where they come out they attack some quarter where they can say Mafa, where people them they get caught and then one person die and where the person will die. Now Pekin where come out for site for Ako subdivision for village where they call and say Mbembe. So now with the talk so the deaf down for mortuary for commodity for Tekam go with them for site for Donga and Mantum division with the talk Asha for the family. When we finish with that one now, we go talk palava. Thief for inside the walla, they don't thief some boy moto. Where either come up for buy him and he pack him for front the domot. Now way they can't carry him. Any person where he meet up him, he says he get for make him. May we know so that may we give better Dutch. We go come on now. We talk now how some countryman when a title man. It be end the year for side for the walla and nfuh people them where he consulted for a goat. Forgive him for your country people and say this so now so he get for end the year 2023 if God be give him he says he get for share him with the brothers them. We go talk about this one now some woman for side for Limbe where he don't cut a massa with a knife so now it is sleep now for my one hospital for side for Limbe where they don't choke ye and a woman because woman he never get confident for ye. He get confident now for military man where you know they talk for inside house for night. We go talk to how New Year be passed for side for Tombel. Tombel he didn't for that side for Kope Maningo Guba and for Southwest way Confusion, it will ever be for this town, but it didn't say peace, it don't come. When the time man, they come and say, Nyam Leonard, we na picking for side from Benon, we na be due for that side, we don't bring peace. All man be enjoy that day. Small time, he says, he get talk for talk. Accident will happen this night for site for Sancho. Hill for Sancho, it never record die people them, but it don't record. Now plenty people them where they will come up for site for Bermuda inside Vatican Express. They come for site for the water. It can make accident. Plenty they did now for hospital for Chang. They take medicine. Number 31 one day for night. What happen? This papa you know be getting money for take the family go enjoy. Now when they enter the sleep for inside house, it won't be for 3 a.m. Now he will fire, he can't wake up this family for sleep, so they burn all kako. No man no die, and no man no wound. We go yet in where this countryman, where he be head boy for Wimboom community for site for the walla. He said this so he get for talk. After where they found them for Wimboom land, they be shidong meeting. This countryman, he get talk for talk. Same story, he talk serity. Same story, he talk say, no matter how elephant, a big, a fat, enough ever be king for forest. No matter how elephant, a fat, and a big, enough ever one day be king for forest. Person we send for we Dr. Malam Seido, we send for that side for Denye Poto, and now for New Bell a day for side for Douala, and Douala a day for inside littoral a day for Cameroon. Woman will support them because our man picking the woman a get for exist. They call them Ma Edeline is support them for side for a Sokolo now for inside Limbe and Limbe for Fako now for Southwest for Cameroon. Nang denge one come back, we go hear the talk. We get for start now and country people and where they do for outside we now get for Shidon because your name now Lucas. You get for only the look now. When I finish before you talk. Or when time for calling a reach, you talk. First thing we will so they repeat and me when I do them. Now say when the program don't start, me you enter for the Facebook page for NJANGI House. You send them for your friend them, tell them for subscribe. So that me they be member for inside the house. Even for we YouTube channel, we NJANGI House, go for YouTube, you follow we, subscribe, and then share them for your come with them. Me we start now chapter 1, now inside house. Inside the own day, confusion day, because all man a lawyer and all man a minister. This one na business people for Acacian market. When they don't make test, they say they so enough work. They don't tell them to do not for market master. Say this book will 40,000, 50,000, so one na 100,000. That money is the work now waiting because inside market we not even get toilet. Inside market self we not get toilet. What in the past? When we all them gather. Say money, small money where we try for get and for send Peking for school. And small money for take and buy shoe for Peking and buy book. Now in this way when I can't take them. And the book where they don't come pin them for that before shop. Now some book where the show say they so they begin for pay them for December month. And they never pay them. And when law for Cameroon, they don't deny mago payment. Yes. You see someone they pay 100,000. How many people say go pay 100,000 for council? How many people say onion go pay 100,000 for council? Why would they torment the population for Cameroon and wait themselves they be son of the soil? You could therefore inside your ground or inside your country suffer pass any stranger where they come. And for Cameroon we value stranger pass picking for country. I ask question whether they so waiting picking for country get them for Cameroon the advantage. Every day now so they holler. He don't bad here. We know the fee free. They don't do table. They send me we come out. When I did top or when I did torment them, so say me they go for side. And one thing I said at the end when I can't talk to them, so me, mommy and papa me they send picking for school. They go send and pay school fees we waiting. When I don't talk to them, so any government school, the school fees they don't bring them down. but go see head teacher for government school, go see principal for government school. You get for bribe for say you picking get chair for inside classroom. But waiting where they talk am for speech, na different thing. The thing where they do am for field, na different thing. And they ask them, who be head boy for canoe, or for flying boat, or for inside ship, or on top plane, where they control. Any man in the job way that come for inside country, no man know the talk. Why? This country now we country all we. Me some people that not take and they say the country now they're on. No, they say Cameroon now one, I know if it divide. But when you want to go for free, now different thing. They say we get na two country. Where no be normal. You want to go for go see minister, you see minister in moto, they say no they for inside office. But when they there, you want to go see mayor, say mayor sign me birth certificate for Pekin. Mayor day, but they say mayor no day. You want to go meet up Dio, they say Dio no day, but moto day. And they ask them when they do other one for gain weighty. See, mommy, they had a suffer. If they should for us. See, more time when I tell you, woman, they know one for work. And when I don't talk, say, till when man picking they do a woman, it do pass am. Man picking they make business. Woman don't enter business. When I come up big book, 100,000, they go take am for side. Where they say Pepe. Me we ask them for this woman, madam, wait when I don't go do for this money before office. Talk me we here.
Tax say controller the prix. We don't get this problem since 4 years today, so that they can sell it. When we go for the office, we need to see the items when we would sell for marché acacia here. We see that different items, but they go ask you 50,000, they go ask you 40,000, they go ask you 20,000, 2 times per year. May you pay the money, and when you pay, they need to give we any receipt. So we don't talk say enough is enough. If the tax rate government know the tax, when we pay that money, any 2 times per year, may they give we receipt. So we don't tire. With the crisis, may government help we for marché acacia season. Thank you now.
So when I don't hear thing way this woman it don't talk. Say me government help because now government they for up, population they for down, and if population come out go for up. Sometime if in ya, but no nothing way. Picking them for country, they don't talk say they don't feel come out again for road. For say me them block road or they burn something. No. Some people in there behind they want on they say me calendar for country, but God it don't deny. And me I be the messenger where the sender for una. We could sit down quiet. Take eye chop Christmas. Because to the man you know the sleep. Number 31 day for December. For side for Yasa, quarter where they can say Mafa. ABB na come and see. When I be tossed so me when I come out all these people that way they sleep for under camion, sleep inside camion for Yasa. They say we live for talk. As we be Thomas, we go see them. This boy they come out for that night for 1 a.m. Time we all man they talk say Happy New Year for family, Happy New Year for mommy, Happy New Year for pa. This boy them they come out. Other one then get na chavum. Other one then get a collars, they chook people them for side for Yasa, take money, last kill some boy when I picking for side for Ako subdivision and for village where they can say Mbembe. Me we hear and see them. Match fire. Happen. Time when they don't enter, they kind of come where they send them for market where we ever hit them for 12 midnight. Now where they bring them and people them for quarter 2, then bring them. Turn back for they will never finish. Then where they put the rest of this boy them, when a stranger, where they should have for Yasa, they could one day kiwi. Turn back for that element or countryman. You get diarrhea where they go quick. Yes. So now that It not be easy when I see them how they fight with collapse no. They say na China film. They make us so more than 30 people than they for hospital. Where they want to kill them. And the answer when they so all the people where government don't give them money, they buy motor, get motor, send me the tantoh for quarter. And they decide to take the money, the motor now, they work a carry na the ashao they go with them for snacks. Take motor for government, they go carry na planty day for inside farm. One way they never work with that motor, not na the deal where they do. So we the better government for Cameroon say, when I get for put control for route, because some government motor they remain na transport. Now I think this is what they happen for Yasa for number 31 day. If the put police post as Janvier, sometimes it don't weak or it don't tire man in no. Anyhow we did we on for see him and then show him as we see him. Me we go now for side where they call him. Yes, now the boy that. Now the boy from Bembe that for Ako subdivision. Now anyway the class took up he die. And now when we talk so, the population for side for Yasa, Japoma, they don't go for mortuary for go come on this boy. So that when they go with them for side from Bembe village under Ako subdivision for Donga Mantum division and for Northwest Cameroon. One person don't go 6 feet. 30 the day where they get baby caught. Anyhow we day. One day when I go hear me. If the profit cover all that time for side for Yasa, go keep on other side. Sometimes this thing never happen. Since we need money for Cameroon pass people. Now so people don't go so to that and when I begin of a country. Me we go now for go see other one. They talk say they say for Cameroon, some people don't know one go before. Me we see motor women don't pack up. We just come up buy a motor, then can't even go with them. Now in that. Now motor where this country man just buy a he go pack up. Say that for the user. He want come out with some morning time. Motor they don't carry him, go. Now when the man talks to us, so plan number 8929 CW. Every time we meet up this motor, on them cadeau or another where they go there for you. He could start your business or he could be house. He need for see where they go get. And now with the talk so police for side for Jamie, he don't really be aware. Anti-bank for pay, he don't be aware. Commissariat Central number 1 for side for Douala, he don't be aware. For this matter, if you know say that's why we hand inside, Joe carry the motor, go back and for Ndobat, for corner the pharmacy, play where you take them. Because La Pirobe don't talk say, if sick, he pass for hospital, me then treat him from Kanda stick. We know one thing some person where we know I'm very fine. Where they work at the pick and gong for root. We know one thing some boy for quarter. Where they work at naked. Because say if we touch this motor or you know say way they don't take up. Or you know the person we don't take up. We now go back the motor for that place. If I say you be shame, you contact me for that number. If I say now you get the motor, you don't buy them. Look that number for down. You call me or you write me for WhatsApp and then tell me play where you don't pack him, I can't carry him, go get for the man. Me no come back before you call me. So we don't talk him. Now anyone then you on way celebrate with the family. Me we go now for side for 2 more. 2 more days now for that side for Douala after Carrefour Ajib. 4 good. I say 4 good. And that. Where this man he cut him. And he cut him because now he be the end the year 2023 from 4 njip. Now soon them flop. All this one now when people them up. Vice President for Wikuda. President for Wikuda for side for Douala, Mr. Nzegolof. He be the inside. This one now Mr. Mbe. Yes. Christopher. All them together. Commandant Chiyambo Natasha this from Njip. Every day for inside. Plenty title holder they become. Title holder they become. So they don't just say their colleague. This one now share for site for St. Village under new subdivision. Share new bell, share new bell is if we did it, and I could give chop for January, so for the very place. So when you get this one, share Johnny, and that na share Johnny this. Now tantoh roland, and this now you begin chop, now you don't slaughter that four goat, and this man when I see him. They record and say tantoh roland. For me, now you say you put that goat, it talks to this so. Now share Nairobi this, say we celebrate with the people them. People that will come, even Prince Jato from Kambe Palace with that white baby. He na picking for palace from Kambe. He says every day because this thing enough the worker we not come for that place. I said people that na pastor that they go ask and say our pastor will come from for us. Now pastor this yes he come to for my prayer. I said tell people that go for inside. Even man will come say be Richard when I for ATM for side for the Walla town. Now be Richard this yes this one so now be Richard. He says be day. All the youth on the side from inside they do they become. Time for me, time for this one now. Time for me Sunday. When Wimbum, yes, time for me. All them day. This one now time for me, yes. Yeah, time for me too. For yaah every day. So all them become. People that be surprised for see. People that say, Commandant Chuyen Bonkoro. He says we get talk for end of year. If we talk inside them full house, say this so we will be together. Mr. Johnson, yes, now Commandant Chuyen Bonkoro that. For those who don't know, now the first pilot is drive ship for Cameroon. First pilot Cameroon. Now in that we will see him. Mr. Derek, Tumfon Derek. Now in that he says every so now person where they look at all from them from Jeptang, Tumfon Derek. So tomorrow for Monday it go talk concerning way to way. Then we should on the other day then talk how it go happen. Me we answer now for person where they can say tantoh roland. Why you decide for cut four goat, main folk people then chop them? When I hear thing we go talk. Oh yeah.
Na tantoh nga roland for me. I be tantoh ngwarong for ndu fondom. We are there for here today for celebrate nfuh we are end of the year. We at Nami I provide for all them food them where they did for Douala, because for Douala we not there not only food we are, we get food in Jeptang, we get food in Jebwar, and then with them food we are where they did under the canopy of Mfumbum. So we don't there today. So for join together, this one is just be like a crossover from 2023 to 2024, and we now God if you don't live from my mind say make I end the year with my brothers them. So I thank all person where you don't leave all the activities. We don't live wait for the do. Plenty people in there where they don't come out like for Peka Katos all over. We don't come today for celebrate this food festival. I feel talking nfuh festival because all them food them you don't join for celebrate this day for today. So I take time for salute thank all my friends them, like all the Tashe them. You get all them for me them. I know if I start to name them, I know if finish at all, and especially my friends them. Like where you never get friends them, but you must get some particular ones them where they be so closer. You get like Mr. Ignatius, when a president from Bumkuchis Union, where they amongst we, and then you feel name the rest. So I thank all people that they don't gather here today for making this day be a success.
I thank LTM so much. We are here today for we are end of year celebration. When tantoh ngwarong of Nkwindong, tantoh roland, where they make we end of year celebration. So we there for we are today. We just be saying now we culture in diversity. So just make us say like in Douala we get we are, we get nfuh in Jeptang, we get nfuh we get nfuh Peka Katos, and all this food and they so they be under the canopy or the umbrella of Wekuda. So we get the general nfuh we're going to take place tomorrow. But today, na the great day when we are get that honor, say tantoh ngarong for Ndu Fondom, and they give the end of year celebration to the yaah in Douala.
I'm the president of Wimbom Coaches Union Douala branch. He invited us, I can say, 3 weeks today. So today, I'm sorry that I dressed in this attire, which I was supposed to dress in our cultural way, because I just left work and I was too busy. So that's why I dress in this way. But I'm here just to support him, because he's my advisor in Wimbom Coaches Union. So I'm here just to be behind him like a friend, to support our culture and our people. So that's why I'm here today.
Way they happen for that side, and all man be glad, because nfuh njip tang and nfuh njip wat and nfuh njip yaah all now one person, because when they drink, and then for a day from nfuh Wimbom and Naiwe, all them they go join for this. So now one nfuh a day, as when I see them. Some people them they interpret for their own way. Me we talk now palaver this one, palaver love. We know say there's no love they exist again for country. I feel sad for Limbe. When this Okada man he die, he be get for C Muchiriwa. Where they call it say Mr. Afi, yes, Mr. Afi. Where they know it for inside town. Meterem na your name, and they don't ask na only Afi for the. Now in that, they not for Limbe 1 hospital. They take medicine. When you all woman, when you don't sleep for one bed for 4 years, you don't decide say this so. Man picking for upside, it is sweet. And then the one for inside house, he turned a better leaf. This girl is not the work for some kind of time. The turn for us for some kind of time, because Mr. Okada man, he be buy an Android phone. And then the Android now, Papa Android, is send the woman upside. Sometimes he go with Chodonko. Sometimes he not forget boyfriend for upside. They say this girl don't start to make some small worker. He should not go backside only for WhatsApp. And he talk with some Kitu man, where we not go call his name, he should not for Limbe. Yes! He should not for Limbe. Modestine na name for the woman. Modestine. I think that Connie love with this army man where they should not for Limbe. Now he start the strong head for a massa for inside house. Then when the man say this one, it don't start now how. Respect not again. Why? He want go Sunday for go wash his skin. He want come back. Then go there in story with that military man for video call. Now when the man say, he sees the telephone, he broke up because now he be buying. Woman not right. Can't see Tokyo. Can't see Tokyo where this countryman he take her. He succeed for inside cassava farm. He know he also the palaver don't finish. Time we don't turn back. Ngonde they don't put na talon. I said shoe way high for up. And then he put na trouser where he tie his buttocks so that means you see the level. And then he put some cement way. Oh, you Bobby in the show say na picking way still get like ADS. For one meter man. Now when the man say you go for outside again for this kind of time. That woman come on live again. Now time we succeed. For Chukam, who choke? That man said that's all. And the neighbor will not come out. Time when neighbor then come out, he want Chukam for head. Now he with the man give hand, he Chukam for hand. He remains about this countryman for die. And when that popular Okada man for inside town. I found that people them Chris for town. Now he will they call police. Then when they go with this countryman for hospital, that guy comes say this so he don't know whether it is so. Now which kind devil don't enter for his skin before he make all this thing. police say you will go preach now for Bakanta. Ha! Palava love for country. Palava love for country. When you get a woman, when your woman outside the joint combi with some woman and will be free. Let me free that you picking for side for Bonaberi. No say a woman don't go. Woman don't go respect again. Woman we don't marry girl for the get combi now with another woman we don't marry. It's not that to get any contact with free girl because free girl it work like taxi. A jam na only horn. And if you wasn't a woman get horn, you could get them. For the horn, man picking them. Pum pum pum. I need their number. Pum pum pum. I meet you for outside. You there for bar? You there for snack? Okay, I go meet up you for room. Yeah, room now room number how many? When am I a woman? And people that woman now marry woman them now they flex for upside pass free get them. Me I talk and clean and clear. When you go to water, you see all that burning for the way marry woman they take them. If they take her now with he needs, you dey confirm say no people dey. So anyhow we did I got the guide married people. When I was talk so about time they go start the same message. Why you talk so? Why you talk so? But where I talk that you what is here. So new year you never sign for Tombel, live and continue. For Tombel it's not easy. I say for Tombel, place where 8 p.m. you know the meet up person. 8 p.m. nobody meet up person for upside for Tombel. This continent where they come say Nyam Leonard when at the Joe. Picking for side from Benon. For no need subdivision as Nkonkoma sending for day, it's a peace will come. Me will go see number 31 day. Yes, for Tombel. Ha. It never easy. I say number Tombel, you fit cross that inside church. Line them the outside, commandant will be up side for patient. And that way don't send them. Man we there with tractor, but the person say Nyam Leonard na be the deal. For Tombel subdivision. For that side for Coupe Maninguba. All that is people for upside because of enjoyment. They don't go to church. Because all man they go to church that day for night. People they be chasing and play with the play. Oh, kind of people that walk through the shop time. They say so, Papa Joe, we thank you plenty. If not be sick of you, we not for them for upside now. We not for them for upside. You see how? They go prayer for peace. They come out now, they celebrate the peace. Then be for upside to take the next day sharp morning time before people then go wash and then they work and now enjoy. This came from Benon. For Noni, this man will get transferred. Nyam ha. Chia. Kiyone, chia. Ha. May I talk the country talk now. The only person where they talk 17 country talk for Cameroon. This countryman don't work. Countryman live at people here now. Team where they do Nyam Leonard Ekotokam. How you manage bring peace for this Tombel? Talk.
Inside Tombel, I want to talk say the population will come out today, not be only the one way there for Tombel. This one I think we some few years ago, you know of PCM. But as the years they go by, last year we see say population will come out, but the one way they come out, this all the thing we all we don't want and the elites and everybody don't want and say make peace come back and make peace be consolidated. You don't see and say you don't go for church, you go for outside, you see and say the people they don't come out en masse for celebrate New Year. And this New Year today we there for Monday and it will continue for all sides and for everywhere. For testify the fact say the people them they believe in peace. They know saying that peace to give them all things. They know saying that peace could take them for develop them, for give them road, for give them anything.
Talk saying that only peace it bring all things. Development wait till if you know there for peace, you know it work no nothing. So we detain this countryman for the talk we don't talk for that side. When we come on now for the side, we talk palaver waiting, we talk palaver accident. Accident will happen this night. Vatican Express, that. And the other side for Sancho. For the God of Chahin. They say this motor don't lock passenger them for side for Bamina. For car for this side for Douala, it won't carry for that side now. Whether now what happen? Now we moto it on side one side. Where the show say this moto now man picking moto. Because if you be a woman boss, all you put them for air, because women for Cameroon, they don't give their life now for love. And the very time when this motor it make accident for site for Sancho, it make a two for come out for between Bunyebel and India, the very agency it make two accident. But no man no even the one way it did for that way happen for site for Sancho. Now only people that get caught as they sleep, so they get not caught. No person never die. This one for Sancho. Now when all man the check sense say this, so what did one happen? But I say plenty people they don't give their life for Christ. Where did not be happen? All them they don't carry on to do now for doctor and they take medicine for chang. Why you want to take every motor now prayer? If you want to be this kind of day, number 5 day for January 2023, people then we don't die, so they go 16. But 2024, it don't show we say this so now fine year because no person ever first die for chapter for accident. When I carry the people go to a hospital, yes, God is not going to accept what will be one happen. So now lucky. Another thing again will happen for China fire. Number 31 day for December, now he will fire a cash this compound. Papa for the house and mommy for the house, they not will get them money for take a go for road for go enjoy. So they decided so better and I say me they remain for house than for go push my ikako for road and then the whole arm me them pay. Fire wake up them for sleep for 3 a.m. where they can't break we will be na number 1 day for January 2024. Now he will all thing for inside house a born. That means say God it be really do fine work. Where no picking no born, no person no die, and no person no wound. So with the time Papa got as he protect this family. Live and countryman. We could go now for side for the water for action for this man where naibi or ga kwata for Wimbom people then for side for the water. Me it tell we countryman. Ye don't finish. What you got and for tell your country people that they call and say Mr. Golof Nzi we naibi we coulda president. Talk me with ye.
My name is Nzi Godlomfo, President Wikuda, Douala Town. I want to take this special time for wish Happy New Year's and good time for the women community in Douala, where I be the president. Same this year 2024 will be a year where we go do more of celebration and investment and joy. No be time of mourning and weeping. So the wish may be a good year. And I want to take this time for wish most people my immediate executive, the in-law executive, and our elite them. Our elite, I want to take spare time for our fathers, the chairman of the WIFU, Tamfongkwi Tala, will be the president of the chairman of the WIFU, our Lord Mayor for Nkambe, Lord Mayor Musamfo, Lord Mayor for Ndu, Abdul Bono, our parliamentarian, the Honorable Ngalajera, will be for Douala, be on Kambe Central, and the Honorable Nami for, and the regional councillor, Kamananchu Munkur, and above all, our general president, Apostle Rogers Fogway. 2024 will be a year where Wumbum could be one, we work as one person, and we could celebrate more, and realize more projects. Coming back for Douala, I want for Wiseme, the committee for Douala. Our clan president, I want to thank like the Tangwang Collins, will be president Wakuda. Tam for me will be president for Njabia for Douala, and Mr. Njobara will be president for Njeptang for Douala. With my in-law executive, same this year 2024 will be a year where we could realize many things. May we community be ahead, we go forward, and may we celebrate ourselves more. Thank you very much.
So now on time. Now you get time now for talk. When you want call for talk, may you off volume for TV so that me will hear you fine. And if we not there for you for talk, may you text we for WhatsApp or normal message, we go read them. So now talk now on. Palava accident again for Sancho Hill. God he don't protect, person never die. Wait till you get for talk. Mommy them they cry, say they so some book they will pay 40,000, 50,000, 100,000 for Acacia market say they no go like for pay again. Wait till you get for contribute for inside. Stranger them where they don't give them place for shidon for inside country. They don't start the kiwi and the first time where they don't kill for side for yasa. Wait till you get for talk and wait till you get for propose them, you talk them. So now they talk than that. Make sure say you respect wait till we need them. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, countryman. You're on me now. You come for side.
Yeah, I don't know.
You not get me. We give us 20 seconds for talk. Come here.
Yeah, I don't know. The thing is that you don't feel like that countryman will not die. Where they not succeed for that thing.
Yes. Yes.
You will not ever live with the snake with get to it. Woman that snake will get to it. You will not live with that. They don't see one corner of my liver. You will tell me about what don't they go through you. So the man being a white man in white people liver. Woman knows something more further than water. When it's in their own time, you give your control, you hear control. If you don't hear your control, you live by walk and go. But when you don't pause over, you will take it as a way, you know your own. When you don't control the subject of you, let you know what is the woman, he will live a better way. Then come back, you do have a rattle, he try to know we own it. Now, I want to be here, I'll put the year. Thank you.
So first person don't talk, me we take copy work for till we don't talk and we don't behave. Hello? So no, now the kind of people then this way they talk for them, they carry head, they know the reason. They say you want call, come off for noise or you off volume for TV. They don't say when I say I'm not 2024 this year we don't get time again for when for the talk much. If you not feel respect yourself and then you could disgrace yourself. Hello?
Moko.
Happy New Year. Who they call the president for side?
I'm Thomas. I call for Donga Manto. Ready for cooking.
Yes.
Yeah.
What you got for 10 weeks for 20 seconds?
On the thing where I want to talk that road from Camden need a fine way to come so that we go Camden with fine choice so that we go Camden fine.
But maybe the answer they work around countryman.
Yes, we need to
Okay.
Yeah, we need to because if you go for union, no they just go for it. I wish I do that work to go fine. At the time that would give my way in the camp. They take hard and then do that work like this for half.
Okay.
Yeah. So I thank God I did that. Yes, I thank God I did that. Yes, I thank my old Thomas Kongi boy. So he said the next 40 minutes don't use still like for Kongi. Go Kongi that for town way for Nantame.
65060848. Me we talk. What you get for talk we salute we talk happy new year for Chief Henry Dico. Chief Henry Dico na chief for Mayview village for that side for Limbe. Yes, with the Nagi salute, we salute you plus the family. Say na small. What you go for talk? Now your on time is if the time pass, you know go find. Hello?
Yeah, hello. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, no, I follow your program. I like the program where they do about TV.
Now who the person made up the side?
No, not the trying to talk from your only OBD.
Okay, for Obili.
Yeah, OBD only. I want to try for talk for that case for that New Year Eve will happen with the kid boy.
Yes.
Normally the government will be trying to talk about that aspect will not give away from the government because you know there's some neighborhood with the devil country government penetrate all neighborhood them. When there is similar level of environment, people have to protect that environment. You know say for inside country, government looking for all only you want the population looking for also try to help the government to see how they try to keep the environment clean. Understand? So when they try to come and say you the population is like you they try to work with the forces of law and order so keep the environment be safe and clean for all of us.
Thank you. We salute all man for side for prayer and those who they do for Back Mountain. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Happy New Year!
Happy. I didn't know, okay?
The New Year we meet up you so much, thank God.
I say get for you. Are they talking me na God or na me na Satan?
We talk you like God.
God is me na.
However, wish to Amanda.
Correct. When I enjoy New Year as Siam, How they that's not
my own small contribution they concern that protest for market prayer on the day.
Yes.
When you get some people the way they don't hang for power over 40-something years, how you expect say people they know will get right for between top one thing, two different things, because when they make an after they'll come up with for some particular party, then are the best party, their candidate are the best candidate. Forever he go home. I mean, how country will do change? Hello?
I hear you, sir.
Well, people in short, country government must change. New people, new ideas they come. Don't say one man for just day are just to be angry.
Leave am you. You know, say we know they make with politics. This one will be the talk now. This one. You have just say go talk say this so meeting mammy them they can't see me. Hello? Hello? Okay, caller don't go. We decided all man waiting for front the television say you yourself you get right for participate for the program. If something happen for your corner, try to for make a me the other person with the difference I mean no. Because plenty of people anyway, when something they happen for the own quarter, they still call again. Something they happen for Manfe, they call Manwe de Yaoundé.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, I'm sorry for Yaoundé.
Yes, Yaoundé now for what side? For Obana or you didn't?
For City Balimba for Yaoundé for Itokobe.
Yes, for Itokobe. How for that side no come to man?
Yeah, Itokobe for that accident for Vatican.
Yes.
We'll get for the play, we'll get for the not the defense, we go church for 5 or 10 people pray for Vatican, General and Mogamo. I mean, it don't happen, it don't really start with Vatican, so we'll get for all down our need to pray because people already ask for top blood for nothing. So we get for the pray and General Moko the Mekan, being easy go to and the despair and so the music continue to go because these people already outside for the top blood.
No man is all blood. No man is all blood. If you stand and say suck blood, no, because no proof, no they say some person is suck blood. You understand no countryman? Hello?
Yes, try to be called from Kutaba.
Yeah, hey. Now who na she?
No, try to the call from Kutaba.
Yeah, Mr. Titus.
Yes, sir. Happy New Year, sir.
Happy New Year. How for that side now?
No, they're fine, sir.
Yeah, how for family?
Oh man, they're fine.
Yeah, you
want to thank you for the people where you are. Yes, I want to talk about the celebration for Tombe.
Yes,
I want to talk say in fact that papa when a man for the people because I don't start the following how they approach the people there. So I'm glad for the work way you do for Tombe. I'm a prayer and I say if other administrators they fit copy that example, say me them be humble and gentle with the population, not harsh and not threatening them. I check say peace it will go through because if you see you only know that person humble, and when you're humble, you will get the heart of the people for population or for community. Thank you, sir. If I talk small too for that one for Yaoundé from market for Acacia, I think this yes, I think said man that way it will really be a problem because if the right authorities go down for fear, they will discover the truth and they will sort out the problem for them so that means they will feel free and they will pay their rightful tax way. They will give them the receipt. Okay. Thank you very much. God bless you.
We take another person. Yes. Can they go or they not? No, they want. They don't tidy in a tight. I say me, you not pass through window, pass now for door. When you come for visit person, you can't have for door no countryman. How you pass for window? Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning. Who the talk the person then have outside?
Let's talk for Yamasi.
Yes. Use your 20 seconds. I hear you.
I talk this thing for this Masha so we concern about Masha Kasa the first time so
yes.
Oh the team very pass we. All man all the team the come out council the come out we mayor not even the way of this team the come out council don't talk see mayor don't talk see with the pay so all that thing affecting them. So mayor don't use yourself be aware of all those things the way they come okay, we say we give a pay 20,000, 100,000. How we talk say, mommy they use paper, they will pay 100,000. All that in affecting them. And shop they keep the way they talk say, we shop they keep for do all that thing. You also call those week of you don't write sign your own book, say na come talk. All that are affecting them.
Thank you. Your time don't pass. So, countryman, it all right. We say this. So, good morning, country people. Them with the salute in our studio. Say, palava that accident. EDC on say na because say motor them way they run that road for Bermuda say they don't overhaul. Now, Mr. Harrison for Chapel take us say for Yaoundé. Say the motor they don't owe. Hello.
Hello. Good morning, Jerry.
Good morning, talk with power.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Richard Volume.
Yeah.
How would I speak for Limbe, countryman?
Thank God. Happy New Year, man.
We don't see Limbe now, where you get a girlfriend or you get a woman that turn again kill you. One kill you now.
Well, thank God for that boy saying no die. But the woman they really get for she on the advice themselves. Now the only small thing that we have to talk to.
Okay.
And the man join my. Hello.
One way you be one for bring them now. Which one are they you now?
No, I talk that see for that one way that girl took the master with nice say no fine. Everyone they try to advise themselves. No na fine thing that.
Okay.
Then I want to join my voice we are home for salute Mr. Leonard from the way people they celebrate so they carry see cover upon and the very thing to be the apple with it. People they not cover upon all along.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I say my join my voice to for saluting.
Okay.
All right.
Yes. We greet all man for my for Limbe with the salute the mayor. Yes, mayor for that side mayor when a woman. Yes. He did try, he don't make my phone don't change. Hello?
Hello?
Which name will you give for this person?
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
I don't come again.
Hello?
Evaristus.
Yes. Follow your time. 20 seconds.
Yeah. I want to tell that person who say that motor of Pamela over. Also, me not say company. Then he recall motor the new motor the way that he get problem. To me, he stop for talk say that motor the wrong home. All motor that he get problem, then he get mechanical fault. So why want to criticize? Who not to criticize because we get hatred for some people. We will think fine before we criticize. Motor the get problem. You don't know how. Yeah.
You don't find talk. You see, no?
Yeah.
When we want to criticize, me we propose what to do. That's it. Yeah. And see, 2 times we man get problem with some person. Me we know that.
I will say motor they don't own. He will say motor they don't own. He don't buy how many put a road in a new one.
If they want go buy now the one way, they be carry player them for African Nation Cup for Cameroon. Say as they don't keep them aside, say we go buy now. Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
I beg, try for respect yourself. Off the volume for your TV, sir. Yes, put it up.
So I want to be for that price control.
Yes.
All day with the same year. And all the time we will get the price control over Aqua. They will go come say we will pay 50 when they pass through time for 1 year. So that might be the way they do with it. Our tell you that might be the common. Even we do with someone and the rest of our soul, man.
Countryman.
Yeah, thank you for the man.
We salute all man where they watch the program for side for right for Bonabedi, those where they did for side for Abattoir, those where they did the other side for play where they call and say for Garotier. We salute all man for side where they call them now for Ancien Road, those for Niveau Road and for Mabanda. We not forget those for that side for Ndobo and for Ngwele. We get all man for and for side for Soza. Hello? Good morning. Hi there, Countryman. Hello? Countryman, don't go. Maybe we take this other man. Hi there, no Countryman.
So Alex, we must come back for talk about that woman for Limbe.
Yes, that woman for Limbe. We don't want key boyfriend.
The boyfriend. Sharamoko, you see, Mashi say that woman don't make 4 years in a woman. They don't get no problem. You see, I say for the short time now, we the woman don't go to join combat be the for us. We don't go join woman. I say the woman you know married. I don't tell sister woman bad fashion. No.
Yeah.
So I tell the man say, may God to protect the man. Me we come for that hospital come back. When we come to the hospital, come back, me know even one speed up, me that woman not pass your corner again. And the other advisor will be the job the man for outside and say, no left your woman, me to go join you woman, we no marry because now the consequences that we go for the whole them.
I said, man.
Yes,
if you get woman for house,
yes,
if they respect you,
yes.
Then sometime if they talk for you harsh, talk for you for inside people them, they lack you respect. That may say now what it don't happen.
You don't join that woman outside the year that advice no Ramoko. You don't join the woman outside we the station do am so we if you be like me.
Okay, I don't hear.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now the advice I feed jam that boy say God to help you wake up for that sick bed.
Okay, thank you. Maybe we take another person. Yes, countryman. Hello?
Hello, countryman.
Hi there now.
Hey.
Yeah, on the now you call for outside now, sir.
I call for him there, Mr. Peter.
Yeah, Mr. Peter, okay.
Yes, I want to talk for this paper for the problem for election. Then talk for opposition. They make them most. Bring one man for make election. If they not bring one man, we know how them they are hot. Make them bring one man.
Mr. Peter.
Yes.
You know they talk about election for this place.
No, talk.
You know the politician who will talk election. But thank you, Mr. Peter. Yes, then we will start the talk election. We'll call Mr. Peter say, now your own feed is come blue talk now. Yes. For Cameroon, we see say they so for help person. Now trouble. You see some person they die, they cry. When I help me, I get this kind of problem. No man. They instead go on backside, go laugh the person. Say you see they man they so. If they beg for somebody they help me. Who say they keep it on money? For them for not say they so life they turn. Because life is like football. Their program not finished. Me man not call again. The man want this step again. Okay, me will just take it. Countryman. Hello? Hello? Okay, you don't go in. If you don't go, we leave him now. So, any man, he knows that the program don't finish. Their program don't finish. With the social beg when I say this, so me when I go for Facebook, find them for the General Moko NJANGI House LTM. You go see we for the. Make sure say you subscribe so that you could be member for inside the Facebook page. Anything we will talk on, you will contribute because you will know the inside you over miss. You will miss plenty things. So things we will not get for sure for you now inside they will show. When you go to for we YouTube channel, if you want follow we for YouTube, where you get for subscribe to for be member, you go for YouTube, you just write NJANGI House. You will just see all we program then we will make them, and then you touch your hand for that place where they write and say subscribe, you go be member. You see them now? Yes, that means say we did now together. Anything where they pass for your own site or when I get problem, you know your need for call me. If you call me, I tell you how you go do it. Hold your Android phone and so because distance over far away for inside Yaoundé and for Cameroon. When you hold your phone this size, you make the video the thing, and then you send them for we, you tell we what it really happened and for which place. So that me will show how many people and where they did the different site, me then see them. Yes. So we thank all man we don't support the program. Say God could bless you plenty. We thank those who did follow the program from the beginning. Say God he could bless with us. We did prepare. We don't prepare how we could make the bond for the program. That means say anniversary for this NJANGI House. We did prepare. When the time we don't prepare and then reach for some level, we say we'll get talk for country people and for upside. Hard and two, they prepare for join the occasion. That time could reach. You'll be ready say, I don't tell you. You know, if you see any invitation where they say, now invitation for anniversary for NJANGI House, no say to the man, we don't tell you. So we time all man, some people that they ask and say, we never see Dr. Nditu as he be call people then for he compound for 1st January. No, when I was saying for Monday and I say something they will get for arrangement. Yes, so that me would match them. Now Francois, he says it be the match 1001 button. Meanwhile, Mr. Sewe, now he says be arrange the sound. And now he be there for back camera, now he the control, the Facebook page and the YouTube channel. He said this will me I talk happy New Year for winner. They recall me in General Moko, the only general for Cameroon, where they work out broom for sweep all dirty sand and for water. Me Cameroon, you know the smell, me you know dirty, me the shine. Anyhow we don't talk for mayor and parliamentarian. For Noni, say me then try for Gida shed them. That market with the don't bill and for lesson, me then give them for rent, than for live them, me it is spoil the go. You see them no? Yes. If we didn't time money for the camp for inside council their back. Anyway, we could meet up for Monday if God will accept, but God go for accept because I be a messenger where I send a message. No say Monday enough away. We come back that day with different information. Bye bye, we don't go.